Good morning, fifth graders. Welcome to day 2 of Reader's Workshop. And today we have the same objective as we had yesterday, is that I can identify key details in an article. And remember, yesterday we talked about trying to find details that are important, that are connected to the main idea, or whether they're extra information. Okay, so we're really focused in on the key details. All right, you will need your mentor text, so pause the video if you need to go and grab it. Okay, and we will be working today on pages 8 through 9 on an article called Passing an Amendment. Right, and if you notice by looking at the diagrams, the pictures, and also the title, that this is an informational article. All right, so we're going to be gathering information that's connected to the main idea. And I noticed that the title of this article is called Passing an Amendment. I'm wondering if you know what an amendment is. Okay. I know in 3rd and 4th grade you talked about the branches of the government. Right? You're going to be able to use that information in understanding this article today. And an amendment is a change or an addition that's made to our Constitution. Okay, so the article is about passing an amendment. I can tell that from the title. So I'm going to be looking for details that help me understand how an amendment is passed. Okay, so you'll read through this article, and just like yesterday, you're going to underline and star any key details that help you understand how an amendment is passed. And then you'll find the assignment. When you're done, you'll find the assignment in Schoology. Okay, and you're going to describe one way an amendment is passed. All right, nice job. Please reach out if you have any questions.